the Carolina Ruck Cuddles. Today, we are taking the Can-Am out because nothing's fixed except the side-by-side, and that's kind of boring to watch. So anyways, guys, if you don't know this, we went up from 2,300 subscribers up to 84, I think now. I don't know, and who knows when this video come out, it might be 10,000. So welcome all the new people. Sadly, a lot of them ain't watching my videos, they're just watching my shorts, but hey, I can't complain. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go exploring. If you watched my last video, we said we were gonna go exploring, but we couldn't because we ran out and had a Halloween thing. You know how that all works out. So today we are gonna go doing a little exploring. I have a lot more planned for today, but I'm out of gas. It's already 3:30 in the afternoon. It's gonna get dark by the time I go all the way to town and get gas. So we're gonna take it out. And also, guys, look, I got some 6x6 parts. Look at this stuff. We got this frame. We're gonna weld this up. We got some wheels, got some axles, got some hubs. We are looking good. If Polaris won't give us parts, we'll just buy used parts and we'll somehow fabricate them up there. So hopefully this weekend, I will at least have it welded up. I probably won't have the shafts made because I'm about to get them custom made. But all goes well, we'll have it great. Sadly, I can't find no tiles right now. I got 4 tiles and I'm looking for another set of tiles, but I'm having trouble finding them. So we might be having to throw some random tiles on it, I don't know. Anyways, let me slap the GoPro on and we're gonna go do a little bit of exploring. So sadly, last time it said we had half a tank of gas. Now the light's on, which is kind of stupid, but hey, that's what you get with these digital gauges. You just gotta love the power of this thing. Right now, I'm just checking, making sure I don't see anybody hunting around, because I don't want to disturb them, so I don't see anybody. So now it's time to go do some exploring in these woods. Oh, okay, we're not going through a hill. I don't know if y'all can see, but these are, they're the vines. Let's go down the road. Let's see if we can go down there. Oh. Back in the day, there used to be a really nice bridge that went across hill, but they have since moved it. Oh crap, come on baby. Woo! This was a terrible idea with 1 bar of gas. One wrong tip and we're gone, boys. Ah! Come on, come on. Hey, come on. There's so many spiders back here. We're just pushing us a path. It's kind of funny how people will push these paths, like clean them up, and then just, I wouldn't say forget about them, but they no longer keep them up. Watch with all the oh crap! Yeah, baby! Woo! Uh-oh, Shaggy. Ah, crap! Ah! If y'all just want a video of me screaming and getting the crap beat out of me, you're welcome! Oh! Whoa, 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 whoa! Come on, baby! Okay, well, the light's flashing. We better stop. Okay, people, vehicle switch. Got Landon. Hey, Landon. Hey, Landon. Okay, we'll switch it to the Yamaha, and I guess we're going for a ride. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Landon is riding with me, and randomly he decided he wanted to go mudding, so as I was going to go riding and check out some trails, but Landon wants to go mudding, so I guess mudding wins. Bye, guys. Bye. You know, we probably should have took the chain out by now. Landon, this is probably the dumbest idea we've ever had. That just looks terrible. Like, that's just straight up soup. There's no trees over there. Ugh. I can't turn back because that was a deep hole. Well, hang on, Landon. Keep your feet up. Oh, crap. Oh, you okay? I might be wrong, but I think that tree tried to kill me. It definitely tried to kill me. Oh, it about broke my meal. You wanna go through that again? No. You sure? That's the deepest one we got.
Okay, go for them all again.
Okay, we can do that. Oh crap. We're hitting the tree, Landon. We're hitting all the trees. Hang on. You wanna do it again?
I don't want my Kaden be mad at
Kaden be mad if you mess his short up?
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, hi Kaden. Say hi Kaden.
Hi, Kaden.
We shouted out Kaden. Yes, Kaden, we got you shout out. Okay, are we going to do that again or are we done? One more time or no more times? Let's go down here and see what's down here. I ain't been down here in a while. Oh crap. Somebody been messing this place up. Oh! We were not supposed to be going that direction. Oh, Landon. I might be wrong, but we might end up. I'm not even trying to go through this. I'm trying to go around it and I still fall in it. Hang on. And we're back in it. On outside. Ah! It's a nice drop right here. Oh crap. That's a lot bigger drop than I remember. In through the woods with the Yamaha X4. Landon might start crying. I hope not. Are you gonna start crying? Don't start crying. I won't cry if you won't cry, okay? Together we will not cry, okay? I don't know. We're just gonna cry because we need a good cry session. Session. My tongue does not work, Landon. I need a new tongue. Can I borrow yours? Why can't I borrow your tongue? Landon, my mud dried up. I don't know. If y'all remember this, guys, this is what the Can-Am blew up. It literally, I came out this hole, and then when the Highlifter was with me, I'll put a video here.
Flashback. End of flashback.
But we came out the hole hill, got up on this hill, and all of a sudden it cut off and it never started. It was the engine had locked up. But Landon, that ain't no mud hill. We're gonna see if we can, maybe it's a little sticky. There's plenty of big trees around here if we get stuck. I mean, it's a, oh crap. Okay, I take it back, it's still muddy. Landon, that was very muddy. Not full of water, but it's full of mud. I don't know. This is a bad idea either way we go. Let's try not to break something hitting this wood over here. Well, we're stuck. Hang on, Landon, let me look. Dang it, I shouldn't. Oh, we're on top of this piece of wood. That's what happened. Oh, crap. Ooh, we are stuck. Landon, what were we thinking? We got a winch, so maybe we'll be able to use the winch. Holy crap, Landon. Oh, that's not good. Luckily, we got one tile up, Landon. I knew better. I knew better. So dang salamander in there. The problem is we're on 2 logs. So if we can get off these logs, we can get up on top of that hill. Look at that salamander. Do y'all see the salamander? Come here, climb over here. See him in the hole?
Oh yeah,
That's kind of creepy. Okay. It looks like a snake. Okay, back up.
A few moments later.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are bottomed out. Landon, is your dad dumb? Am I dumb? Was this a bad idea? How's that? Okay, that's all you had to say. It was a rhetorical question. You ready? Sit down like you. Come on.
It's not working?
It's not right now. Landon, I think we messed up. But we got the winch to start walking. At least we're getting somewhere. That's a long ways to get to a tree, Landon. Oh, this is a bad idea.
Eventually.
Oh, we finally made it out.
What, Landon?
We finally made
I think we made it out. Luckily we had a chain. I lost my shoes. I got them back. Just ladies and gentlemen, just look how deep that is. In case y'all are thinking that the Yamaha was not that will stop anything. Landon, let's see if we can get out, or we might have to winch to another tree. Go ahead, get in, buddy. We almost there. At least the winch is working now. Are you praying? Let's hope we get out. Oh yeah, we're going. Come on, baby. Come on. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are still stuck. The winch is officially killed over the rest of the way. Luckily, if y'all remember, Waylon used to have the 1000 XMR. His dad has a TALON. I called him, and he's coming to get us, hopefully, and they're like Landon. Because Jeff is gone. Just look at this.
Look at the size of that.
Look, if y'all wonder why we stuck, we messed up, boys. As the hangover says, y'all know what we're saying. Stop, you putting mud in your mouth, Landon. Here comes the TALON to the rescue. Freedom. Hey. Hi. Might be stuck. Come on, baby. Come on, TALON. Come on. Thank you. Buckle, please. Look at the mud flying off. Well, ladies and gentlemen, after hours of being stuck, me and Landon finally made it home.
Yeah, but you should subscribe and hit the like button.
Yeah, hit the like button and subscribe. We made it home. This day turned out better video-wise, but bad not video-wise. Hey, Jonah. Holy crap, we stayed stuck. We're stuck. My shoes are covered. The Yamaha's covered. It was bad. What, buddy?
Hey, I was waiting for you while you guys were there.
He was waiting for us. Help.
I got hot from you, so me.
He got hot with. Anyways, guys, make sure you hit the like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't worry, we have a lot more coming. And I will see y'all on the next one. Say bye, guys.